So welcome to this video for the BMW 318D M Sport. This is the automatic. As you can see, it's the lovely sapphire black metallic paintwork. This is a 2015 registered vehicle in very tidy condition. Obviously all the attractive upgrades like the rear spoiler, as you can see, and the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, and the BluePerformance styling package, little side skirts with the stickers, the privacy glass, and the gloss black front grille, and the lower gloss black splitter. So let's start off on the front. The front's very tidy, as you can see, no damage whatsoever, hardly any stone chips. It's got this lower front splitter, of course. It's got the lower fog lights down below there. All the grills are immaculate. There's no cracks or chips in the grill down there. The grill there is very good condition in the high gloss black. The BMW badge is very clean, no fading or anything like that, and no stone chipping, as you can see. No stone chipping at all. The bonnet's very clean. Every panel lines up correctly as well. No scuffs on the corner of that bumper. That front wing very clean as well. You can see all four alloy wheels have just recently been refurbished, so they're absolutely immaculate. Brand new tyres as well, so brand new matching tyres. This one's got the 255 40/19, which are the low profile tyres. Brand new tyres, absolutely brand new. Little M Sport badges there. Paintwork is immaculate. There's no tar spots anywhere. There's no dents on the car or scratches. The backs of the wing mirrors are immaculate. The windscreen is very good condition. It looks like it's had a replacement windscreen at some time. That is not the genuine BMW windscreen. So that's an aftermarket windscreen. So it's very good in the sense that there's no chips or cracks anywhere in that. The roof's very clean, as you can see. And that back door, that's like glass, that, so very clean. The rear arch there, very clean as well. The rear tyres are obviously wider. These are the, hang on, here's the size on this one. Can't see the size on this one. No, there we go. This is the 255 35/19. 255 35, so they're wider on the back. So 225s on the front and 255s on the back. Okay, that rear wing is very good condition. I've spotted some very, only fault I've seen, very light hairline cracking on the fiberglass bumper there, look. You can see the paintwork, very lightly, just there, and that is it. That is it. Very light on the, it's like the lacquer or the paintwork, very light, little, tiny. That's all we can see on the vehicle. So for a 7-year-old vehicle, it's very good. All the lights are very good. Obviously it's a single tailpipe. It's got the reverse parking sensors, as you can see. This was registered from Cooper BMW, from new. It's still got the 318D badge on, which I'm very surprised that no one's actually took that badge off. Because obviously the 318 is the entry level. However, that does mean it's the lowest insurance bracket and the lowest road tax bracket for the automatic engine. It's got the rear spoiler, as you can see there. The rear spoiler, it's got the privacy glass pack, as you can see. It's dark smoke. All the paintwork is very good. Even inside the fuel cap, as you can see, it's all clean. It's 100% diesel. I don't think, no, it's not AdBlue. It's not AdBlue, this one. 100% diesel. Bumper's immaculate. That's the brand new tyre, as you can see again. And obviously all the wheels are immaculate as well. See that arch, there's no damage or scratches at all anywhere. Same on that. The paintwork has just been detailed as well, so it has been machine polished by our man John. There's no tar spots anywhere, there's no dents anywhere. Back to that wing mirror, totally immaculate. Windscreen, that side, immaculate. That wing there, immaculate. That alloy wheel. It's got the blue brake calipers, and the discs are in good condition as well. The discs are in good condition. And that's about the outside of the car done. Yes, the outside of the car, just covered that. Let's go to the bike, start on the boot. So open the boot, as you can see, very tidy. All this plastic down here is very tidy, the rubber's very tidy. It's clean inside there as well. It has got a bit of a toolkit down there, so a jack there which one's put in. These don't come with a jack because they are run flat tyres, so it should come with a can of tyre foam, if anything, because there's no tray for a wheel brace. That's the warning triangle, sorry, that's the warning triangle there. Obviously all that's carpeted there, so it's not scratched or anything like that. Up here, oh hang on, we've got the LED number plate lights, which are standard on this year, so that's good. LED number plate lights. Open the rear door, very clean, as you can see, properly valeted. Got the brushed aluminium, like checkered aluminium brush garnish there. Got the leather door cards with a black stitching there. Little tiny little chrome kick plate, all nice. The plastic's not scratched, no one's been climbing in and out making it all scratched, etc. Backs of the seats are tidy, the leather's clean, doesn't smell of smoke, doesn't smell of dogs either, so very clean. Free headrest, free full-size seat belts as well. Also the child Isofix anchoring points as well, so the child anchoring points as well there. All this is nice and clean, there's no trap seat belt marks on the door shuts. Same on this side, it's all very clean, as you can see. We've got 100 photos on the Auto Trader advert, so we've shown everything in this vehicle, so there's nothing out of the ordinary at all. No marks, no scratches, no tears, nothing. 59,000 mile condition. All very clean, all the door shuts are nice and clean. No trap seat belt marks there at all. M Sport kick plate there. The leather seats, the sport seats with this is a extendable front bar, seat height adjustment, and electric lumbar, should we say? Is it lumbar? Electric lumbar. And then we've got the airbag on and off there, and we've got this, like I said, this checkered aluminium design garnish. Let's go to the driver's side. To the driver's side here, you get in, got all that's nice and clean. 4 electric windows, electric wing mirrors as well. All the door pockets are nice and clean. Speaker grills are nice and clean as well. All the door shuts are clean. Pedals are clean as well. It has got a car mat set, they're just drying out, it's just been valeted. The car mat set's drying out. All that's nice and clean. The driver's seat's very clean as well. It is in 59,000 mile condition. Let's get inside. So inside, oh, it's got air conditioning. So its air conditioning is working as well, so it's ice cold in here. So start up top, it's got the sat nav. It's the sat nav, and it's also got the reverse. Put that in reverse. Got the reverse parking sensors as well. And then we've also got down here the menu button, which we're going to press telephone. So it has got the Bluetooth as well, so you can play your music through that. Your radio, as you can see. It's got the DAB. So it's got the DAB radio as well. And then you press that media, you can have your USB as well, so it's got the USB aux input as well. So all those extras are all there, all the up-to-date extras. Also got the menu, you can see the service requirements, vehicle information, vehicle status. So everything's okay, everything's good. So this next service is the brake fluid next year. These are a 24-month or 19,000 mile service interval. So this has just been serviced August, so it's 19,000 miles before the next service in 2024, so 2 years. So very economical, 2 years or 19,000 miles. Vehicle check rear brake pads as well. 15,000 miles left on the brake pads to the rear, and the front I've got 16,000 miles left. So that's all the information's there as well. The service history check is all there. As you can see, all the dates and the dealer codes are there as well. So the last service was done by a BMW specialist, RTB of Sheffield. they've just serviced it. Okay, so down here it's got the sport mode as well there. Sport mode, Eco Pro traction control. We've got the 12 volt up here, 12 volt there, and a coin tray. We've got the key there, we've got the locking wheel nut there. So everything's here. All this is nice and clean, not scratched, etc. There's no scratches anywhere there. The leather handbrake gaiter and lever. Armrest, we lift that up, and you've got the aux and the USB input there, and somewhere to put your phone or your little purse, etc. Steering wheel has got the cruise control function there as well, and the end of the stalk there has got your computer, so you can press that and it shows you the time, the date, etc. And all that. Okay, all the clocks are there. It's got fuel in, quarter of a tank of fuel as well. The temperature's nice and cool as well, so it's not overheating or anything like that. It's got the automatic lights as well, automatic light switch. Got the leather steering wheel with the M Sport logo as well, so it's a lovely soft touch, soft feel sport steering wheel. Got a little bit of this piano black garnish there, high gloss piano black trim, and obviously the checkered aluminium. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to switch the engine off because I'm going to pop the bonnet down, switch the lights off. I'm going to pull the bonnet lever down here. You have to pull that twice because there's no latch under the bonnet, so you have to pull it twice. So as you can see, I can just pull this up now, so there's no latch because you have to pull that lever twice to open it. Okay, so inside, as you can see, a twin power turbo. It is a single turbocharger diesel engine. Twin power is just the name they call it. Obviously it makes it sound like it's more powerful, which it isn't. It's a single turbo, but it's called twin power turbo. So it's the 2-litre engine. I think this one's 143 or 45 brake horsepower. So it's the lower brake horsepower. It just means it's cheaper insurance. Everything's nice and tidy, as you can see, very clean. And you've got the correct green antifreeze, which BMW use. Your battery points there, your screen washer point there, your chassis number, it's all there. It's all, obviously we've checked everything. Everything's correct. All the little clips and screws look correct. You've got these little bulb covers there, so you pop that off to get to your bulbs. And all the wings here are all nice and clean. There's nothing out of the ordinary, nothing's broken. All clean. Up here as well, the bonnet, nice and clean. Okay, and closes like that. It's all nice. It's a very, very good looking car. Personally, I do like the look of these cars. These are a good daily runner, automatic. You know what I mean? So when you're stuck in traffic, you don't have to dip the clutch. Look good. Obviously German build quality, economical. So these will do just over 60 miles to the gallon, these. So very good. And I think a minimum about 49. So very good fuel economy. Insurance obviously low because it's the lowest one. It's the 318D. It's not the 320, it's the 318, which is a 2-litre engine. So it's the same engine as the 320. But it's obviously the engine, the brain on this car is not the higher brake horsepower one, that's all. Okay, so if you have got a part exchange, please let us know the reg number and mileage and we'll give you a quotation. We do provide finance. We are FCA registered, so we've got our own in-house finance team led by James. James will give you a call, quote you some figures based on the interest rates will be based on your credit score. So like I say, people with excellent credit score, the interest rates start from 7.9% at the moment, and the bad credit score ones will go right up to 30%. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.